Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I have a short, quick little video for you today, and I'm going to be sharing some vintage retro inspired Christmas outfit inspiration. I'm going to show you a couple of outfits that are perfect for Christmas Eve or kind of the evenings, dinners, formal events like that, and then a couple of outfits that are perfect for Christmas Day or kind of more casual get-togethers. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the outfits. And that's it guys, those are the outfits that I wanted to share with you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more cutie, lifestyle, fashion and sewing content. If you'd like to support me through Patreon or my merch store, there are links in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Happy holidays guys, Merry Christmas, and I will see you Sunday with the last Vlogmas video. Bye!